Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite baby girl, IGBOTIC nono. The buying queen. No.
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
So in today's video, we're going to be talking about names of God in Igbo language. That is when you are praying to your God. Do you understand? You can use this various name to call on him. And we're going to be learning that today in this video. Yes. So number one is Chukwu. Chukwu. Meaning of that is first force and being opposite to every other existing force. And the other one is Odogwu Akataka. Odogwu Akataka. That's fearless warrior. Odogwu Akataka. Echetobi Esike. He that takes away every sorrow and worry. Echetobi Esike. Obatobi. Obata Obi. He that ends every trouble. Diwanyi Isimpe. Husband of the widow. Diwanyi Isimpe. Ikuku ama n'ọnya, unquenchable fire. Ikuku ama n'ọnya, unquenchable fire. Dike n'aya, mighty warrior. Chinecherem, the God that thinks of me. Chinecherem, the God that thinks of me, the God that thinks good of me. Chinecherem. Oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Great water that carries fearless storm. The great water that carries fearless storm. Oke mmiri na-ebu. Chukwu Mampam, the God that knows all my worries. Chukwu Mampam, the God that knows all that is troubling me. Chukwu Marobim, the God that knows my heart. Chukwu Marobim, the God that knows my heart. Olu Ebube, glorious God. Olu Ebube, glorious God. Nnukwuchi, big God. Nnukwuchi, big God. Ifunanya Chukwu, God's love. Ifunanya Chukwu, God's love. Eziebere, God of mercy. Eziebere, God of mercy. Amasi, the God that knows it all. The God that knows your beginning and the end. The God that knows when they bet you. Amasi, the God that knows it all. The God that knows it all. Owasabi God. Gaga Nogu, the God that walks on tongues. You know tongue? You know as painful as tongue is. The God that walks on tongue. Gaga Nogu. Gaga Nogu, the God that walks on tongue. Oke Maunetumia, the God that flaunts himself. Oke Maunetumia, the God. Oke Maunetumia, the God that flaunts himself. My Shakara God. Hey, Oke Maunetumia. Igwe King. Okechi, great God. Okechi, Ikuku ama n'ọnya, egg that can never be caught by trap. Ikuku ama n'ọnya. Ọkụ na-ere, consuming fire. Ọkụ na-ere, the consuming fire. Ojena more, him that walks in the spirit realm. Ojena more, him that walks in the spirit realm. Ekwueme, he does what he says. Ekwueme, he does what he says. Obatola Adema, the peacemaker. Obatola Adema, the peacemaker. Agụbata ọhịa, mgbada awala ọsọ. Agụbata ọhịa, mgbada awala ọsọ, the fearless God. The most feared God. Agụbata ọhịa, mgbada awala ọsọ, the most feared God. Ebi eluigwe, everlasting in heaven. Olori ihe. Hey. Olori ihe. Very, very big God that is bigger than all things. Very, very big God that is bigger than all things. Oke mmọnwụ, great spirit. Oke mmọnwụ, great spirit. Chineke, God the creator. Chineke, God the creator or God creates. Oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe, the God that carries the bridge by water. Get it? If you don't get it, forget it. Do you get it? Ọgbara nkịtị okwu juru ọnụ. He that has the final say and keeps silence. He that has the final say and keeps silence. Okenyi, great lion. Okenyi, great lion. Dike ndikere, Dike, ndikerere. Omenoko, he that does when there is nothing. Omenoko, one note to him. One note to him. Nkume mgbe ebi ebi. Nkume mgbe ebi ebi. Firm foundation. Can you write this song? Jesus, you are the firm foundation. I know I can stand secure. Jesus, you are my firm foundation. I put my trust in your holy name. I put my trust in your holy name. That is Nkume baby. Chioma, good God. Chioma, good God. Or the Nakachi in the hands of God. Or the Nakachi in the hands of God. Okay guys, this brings me to the end of this video. These are the various names of God that you can use while worshiping. These are it in Igbo. Learn it as I am saying. Learn my tongue as I am calling him. And pray to him in your dialect. I'm sure you will enjoy it while you are doing it. So guys, you can see my baby's hand here. We were chilling. He was disturbing and crying, so I decided to carry him and do this video. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.